Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to mute or silence a group chat in iPhone messages. For example, if you have recently created a group chat and you want to now silence or mute that group chat so that you can not get the sound notification or notification for that specific group chat messages on your iPhone. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of your iOS. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to setting, and after that you have to go to general, and this time you have to simply click on software update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your iPhone to latest iOS. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on open the messages. So first of all, I will tell you how you can create the group messages or create a group on iPhone messages. So here you have to simply click on that button, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on that plus button, and you have to add contacts one by one you want to add in your group. And after that you have to simply create the group, and after creating the group you can simply send the message to the group, and after that you will be able to send the message. Now if you want to silence them, then how you can do that? For this you have to simply press and hold the group chat, and after that you have to simply click on that bell icon, and after that you will see that group chat is silenced or muted from your side, and after that you will not get the sound notification or notification from that group chat. So in this way you can simply do that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.